takeoff, climbing, these drones enhance how we protect with unmatched precision. They allow us to fly longer and in more unusual climates. We can fly in way hotter temperatures or even in colder places. It has very little limitations where we won't be able to fly this.
This technology can enhance the Secret Service protection mission just by its ability to use these high-definition cameras and infrared sensors to be able to spot things the human eye would never be able to see. We can zoom in and check out things over miles away. It just gives that tactical advantage for all of our teams on the ground, being able to provide that warning, let people know where things are with the drone, and using that system to our advantage, being able to check things out that are over long distances away. Being able to see these drones flying overhead is a huge deterrence in its own for any hostile actors that may see them. And just being able to enhance our protective mission by keeping a continuous overwatch over the entire area is just a vital part of what we do.